How to change currency on Tripadvisor. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually change your currency on Tripadvisor. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to change your currency on Tripadvisor, all you have to do is just go ahead and first of all launch the Tripadvisor application here. Then you'll basically see this type of interface where you just need to tap on the account icon, which is at the bottom right hand side of the screen. Then once you come to the account icon, you'll find the option called preferences over here. Tap on preferences, and when you go to preferences over here, you will find an option that says currency. So currently in my case it is set to British pound, and if I want to, let's say, change it to USD or US dollars or any of the Canadian dollars, whatever else it is, I can just search and select that currency here, and then you can see now the prices on this application is going to be displayed in my own currency that I have set over here. And this is simply how you can change your currency on Tripadvisor. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.